Where can I find my Metrobank ATM card account number?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a frequently asked question. Where can I find my Metrobank ATM card account number? This information is essential for several transactions, like fund transfer, balance inquiry, and more. Don't worry, we will guide you through the process step by step.
Understanding your ATM card.
The first thing to know is that your ATM card number is not the same as your account number. The card number is the 16-digit number embossed on the front of your card. However, the account number, which you may need for banking transactions, is not printed on the ATM card due to security reasons.
Locating your account number.
There are several ways to find your Metrobank ATM card account number. 1. Check your passbook. If you have a passbook linked to your Metrobank account, you can find the account number printed there. 2. Look at your account opening documents. When you opened your account, you were given account opening documents, including your account number. 3. Visit a Metrobank branch. You can go to your nearest Metrobank branch and ask for your account number. Make sure to bring valid identification with you. Remember that for security reasons, they will not provide this information over the phone or through email.
Using Metrobank's online banking.
If you're registered for Metrobank's online banking service, you can also find your account number there. 1. Log into Metrobank Online. You need to go to Metrobank's online banking website and sign in using your username and password. 2. Navigate to Accounts. After signing in, go to the Accounts section. 3. Select your account. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts. Click on the relevant account, and you should be able to see your account number. Please note that you should never share your Metrobank online username and password with anyone. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to find your Metrobank ATM card account number. Remember to keep your account number secure and avoid sharing it unnecessarily. Thank you for tuning in, and happy banking!